Good day, and welcome to Apes in the Home. This will be a quick overview on watersheds, so let's get to it. A watershed is an area of land that collects any water through precipitation, tributaries, rivers, groundwater, and moves that water towards a larger body of water. A watershed can include snowmelt, surface runoff, those tributaries, and groundwater. We live in the Codorus Creek watershed locally, but that watershed is a part of the Chesapeake Bay watershed. Watershed basins are created by the rivers in the area, but the borders of what we call divides are typically where higher elevation is, such as the ridge of a mountain. So, we are in the Codorus Creek watershed, so any rain that falls in our area here is going to move in here. You also have Conewago Creek and Little Conewago. Parts of Northeastern School District will be in these different little watersheds. Either way, all the water that falls in these areas is moving through probably the Conewago Creek towards the Susquehanna River. And the Susquehanna River, anything that runs into that is part of the Chesapeake Bay watershed. There's the Chesapeake Bay watershed. It is huge. It spans several, I think 6 states. And then here's a divide. You can see it's usually on the mountaintop. You'll have one watershed here, another watershed over on the outside there. All right. Characteristics of a given watershed include its area, length, slope, soil, vegetation types, and divides with adjoining watersheds. For example, the Chesapeake Bay watershed is 64,000 square miles and encompasses parts of 6 states. The divides are the peaks that divide the adjoining watersheds. Next to the Chesapeake Bay watershed is the Mississippi watershed. Yes, if it rains out near Pittsburgh, that water will eventually reach the Mississippi River and the Gulf Coast. I hope that this was helpful and that you have an excellent rest of your day.